The world of cryptocurrency has been a topic of conversation for years now. While some are still on the fence about it, others have jumped in head first and are reaping the rewards. One such advocate is Gary Vaynerchuk, or GaryVee, an entrepreneur who has become one of the most vocal proponents of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Recently, he released an quote titled, "If you're cynical about Bitcoin, you're not seeing the chess moves to how society will evolve." In this post we will break down his argument piece by piece so you can understand why he believes that those who remain skeptical about cryptocurrency aren't seeing what's coming next. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium exchange which uses cryptography to secure its transactions while also controlling its creation and management through decentralized control systems known as blockchain technology. It operates independently from any government or central bank authority, making it immune from manipulation or interference by outside forces like governments or banks. This means that users can make payments without needing approval from third-party entities, thus eliminating fees associated with traditional banking processes such as wire transfers, etc. Why should we care? When discussing why people should care about cryptocurrency, there are two main points worth noting: decentralization and security. Decentralization allows for trustless transactions, meaning no middleman needs to be involved in order for someone else's funds, assets, data, etc. to be transferred securely across borders without risk, due diligence delays, and more importantly censorship resistance, which makes all kinds data available regardless if certain countries have laws against them being shared publicly online, i.e. free speech. Security-wise, since blockchains use cryptographic algorithms, they provide much higher level protection than current banking system where passwords could easily be hacked into or stolen via phishing attacks, etc. What did GaryVee say about Bitcoin? The statement that really got people talking was when he said, "If you're cynical about Bitcoin, you're not seeing the chess moves to how society will evolve." This was in response to criticism from some quarters over the volatility of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which can make them difficult investments for many people. However, rather than simply dismissing such criticism outright as unfounded or unhelpful, Vaynerchuk instead chose to focus on how society will evolve through adoption of these new technologies, referring back again to his analogy with chess moves where each move has an impact beyond its immediate effect, i.e. setting up future plays. What does this mean for our future? As mentioned earlier, cryptocurrency offers many advantages over our traditional financial systems, but what does this mean when looking at how society will evolve going forward? Well, according to Gary Vaynerchuk, it means that we'll see massive shifts towards decentralizing power away from governments and corporations. He goes on further explaining how cryptocurrencies could lead us towards global economic freedom where individuals would no longer need permission nor rely solely. Understanding the long-term impact of cryptocurrency adoption. In order for us all to truly get behind cryptocurrencies like BTC, we need firstly acknowledge their potential long-term benefits, not just short-term gains or losses from price movements alone. As more businesses start accepting digital payments using blockchain-based systems, like Ethereum, they are creating new opportunities within our global economy by allowing transactions between different countries without having any restrictions due to traditional banking systems and regulations, etc. Furthermore, these same technologies could also help reduce poverty levels around world, providing access financial services even remote areas where banks aren't available traditionally operate there before now due lack infrastructure needed support them properly, i.e. basic internet connection, electricity, etc. Plus other applications such smart contracts, decentralized networks, data storage, sharing offer whole range possibilities when comes improving efficiency, transparency across various industries sectors, so this should be taken into account too.